Hello, and welcome to this product release video for HelloID. This video is for our June 2019 release. We will start with a short PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new software. The items for all new releases will also be listed at docs.helloid.com. To find this information, just click on the Roadmap tile and then click on the Preview tab. During every month, we will update this section so you can see what new functionality we will release at the end of the month. Let's start the presentation. First up, we have added Base64 encoding. We can now encode and decode the attributes in mapping, for example, from the Active Directory to HelloID. You will also be able to use this in other types of mappings, like mapping for OpenID and SAML. Next, we have updated the ADFS identifier. It used to be the UPM, but we have changed it to the SID. This is also being used in the documentation so that now everything is in line. Following that, we added the option to hide SSO application templates from the admin portal catalog. This way we can clean up the main SSO app catalog. You cannot see this new option as an admin. It's for the admin manager into Global Catalog Manager. Next, we can now push HelloID group information to OpenID target applications as part of the OpenID claim. We will demo this functionality shortly. In this new release, we have also included a report, so now you can easily see what groups a user is a member of and what SSO apps are connected to what groups. Next, you now have the option to disable the default emails by the workflows used in HelloID service automation. Before, if something happened in the workflow, an email was sent to the end user or the manager. You now have the ability to turn this function on and off. We have also included a new grid component in the service automation forms based on static JSON data. This option will be updated in the next July release to a dynamically update option. We will show you this shortly how it is working as of today. You can also select groups as part of a combo drop-down box. We have extended this component with the option to select groups in HelloID. Finally, we have added the ability for comments in the Approve Deny option for approvers to be automatically sent via email. You will have the ability to also turn this off and on. Let's demo the new functionalities. We are logged in as an admin. Let's start with how you change the Base64 settings. Go over to the directory and then click the Mapping Sets. We are going to select the Active Directory to HelloID mappings. We click on Edit. Go over to Change Attributes, and then we go down to the mapping, and as you can see with the drop-down menu, you can encode or decode the Base64. This drop-down menu is a new option. We're not going to show you the ADFS option, since it is at a detailed level and will be used for a specific group of users. So, let's take a look at how we can pass HelloID Group's information to an OpenID application. We go to the Applications page and select our demo application. Let's click on Claims, and we can see all the information that is being sent to the target application, including all the groups that the logged-in user is a member of. Based on this group information, the target application can grant the logged-in user access to sections in the software. Next, let's take a look at the report. We click on the Reports icon, and the report we want is under HelloID Reports. So we click on Users to Applications. Let's look for our demo user. We click on him, and now we can see all groups he is a member of, and if those groups are nested. Now, if we select a group, we can also see which SSO applications are tied to that particular group. The next option we want to show you is the new grid component. Let's go back to the admin portal. Go over to Self-Service, and then click on Forms. At the top right, click on Create and give the form a name. You can see all the components you can use on this new form. This is the new grid component. Let's drag it over onto the new form. If we click on Edit, you can see the static JSON information that is being represented by this grid. Please note that we will make this more dynamic in the next release by offering the use of variables and PowerShell scripts. For now, let's switch to the editor. And now you can see that we can make selections, and then if we hit Submit, we can see that we have selected this row. Another component that has been updated is the dropdown. We drag it over and click on Edit. Here you can see the data from the API, and we can select the HelloID groups. We click on Update field, and if we go back to the editor and search for the Users group, and then select the Users group, we can now see the drop-down changes that we made over here. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any comments or requests. Have a wonderful day.